A hiker climbs uneven stone steps near a cliffside. A black bird perches in a tree. A coyote trots through a meadow. A small brown bird peeks its head out of a round hole in a tree trunk. A yellow and black bird perches among long evergreen needles, then flies away. A bear stands in a meadow and looks over at us as it munches on big mouthfuls of plants. A metal sign reads, "Bear Warning." A tourist puts a cooler and a grocery bag in a metal locker and secures it with a chain. A car drives downhill around a tight curve on a mountain road. A truck drives downhill on a mountain road past